Hey guys, sorry I lost you because my phone died. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe. I guess going with the live video would kind of drain the battery pretty quick. So I just wanted to show you this last thing with the pork shoulder roast. So I'm going to flip the camera around here and show you the quick cooker, right? And here's our pork shoulder roast inside. So I'm going to take out the pieces. See how that's like literally just like falling off the bone? It's so tender. So these two pieces here, I'm going to remove that bone out of there. And then, sorry, it's a little hard to do one-handed because I'm holding the phone with the other hand. But basically, I'm going to take the pork off of the bone and then use my salad choppers to, if I can grab them, my salad choppers here to chop up the meat. So, hold on. Chop it up just like this. Can you guys see that? See how easy it's shredding up? So again, this is going to be for our pulled pork and also for our pork carnitas, okay? So one last thing, I want to show you guys the fruits of our labor here. We have the whole chicken. We have 6 chicken breasts, we have 6 pounds of ground beef, we have all kinds of veggies and cheese shredded up. We have our pork shoulder roast with 2 more meals, and we have our egg roll in a bowl. So thank you guys so much for joining me for our meal prep class. I hope that you guys were able to get some great ideas and some good information, some great tips that you guys can use to make your own meals for your family and make dinner time easier. I would love to offer this as a class for you and your friends, and you would get host rewards too when the people buy, when your friends buy the products they need for their kitchens to make life easier when they meal prep. So I can do this one of 2 ways. I can do it virtually like we just did, where we would set up an event like this and you would invite your friends and family to the event and everybody can join in and watch the live video. Or if you are local to me, we can plan an in-person class, which would be even better because you would be able to keep all the meals. So I would give you the grocery list of what to buy. You would go out and buy it, and then you could use all of that food to feed your family with, and you would already have your meal prep done. And I'll bring all my tools to do it with. So if you would like to host a party this month, March is 60% off of Rock Crocs, including the slow cooker stand, and April is 60% off of cookware. So if you liked that wok or the double burner grill pan or the 12-inch nonstick skillet, you can get it at 60% off, plus all the other awesome host rewards, free products, 50% off items, more discounts, host bonus specials that you get, all kinds of awesome things. So let me know. I know Shirley, we've already got your party planned for the end of the month, and if this was something that you would like to do at your party, let me know. And like I said, if anybody else wants to do this as a party and be able to let me pamper you in your kitchen, let me know and we can get something set up for you guys. So thanks again. If you have any questions, please comment, send me a message, post here in the event and let me know, and I will see you all later. Good night and have a good one. Bye-bye.